been a while since I have showed you what's going on in the greenhouse. It's all of a sudden it's became combobulated again. It's a mess. I need to sort it out, and I've got so much stuff here that doesn't need to be here. My potatoes in the greenhouse, they didn't used to be in the greenhouse, they sat in the patio, but I came round the corner one day and the fox had dug out my seed potato plant and gnawed on one of the potatoes, so I'm a bit annoyed about that, but I've got 2 pots that need to get harvested, so I will empty them out today, see how we get on. I've got two courgettes, one there and one that's desperately wanting to do more with its life, so I'll need to get another pot like this one and get them potted up. I've got more beans, they're doing well, they're doing really well. I love the beans, I think they're beautiful. I've got 2 lettuces that went to seed, but look how pretty that is. It's absolutely gorgeous, so they can do what they want and I'll maybe try and take the seeds off them. And this is my beautiful red cabbage. I can't believe how long I've had them. I think I planted them August last year. This is now June and he's still here. He's got no intention of becoming a cabbage, but you know what? It's just so pretty. It's such a beautiful colour. And I got rid of the others, and for whatever reason I did not want to pull him out the pot. So he's a firm favourite in the greenhouse and he seems happy enough, so as long as he wants to stay here, that's fine. I've got a bucket of carrots. It's needing extra soil put in. The brambles have taken off, they desperately need to go outside, but what I didn't consider was they would need pollinated. So even though they're growing berries, they'll probably fall off this year. But I do know where we're going to put them now, so we'll get them planted out before the end of July, hopefully. Big pot of potatoes, I'm just going to leave them until they completely die back. Sweet corn, I'm keeping in the greenhouse this year. Trial and error, see what happens. This is my salad bar, and it's been fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. We've got a lovely range of lettuces. I've got some chard here, loose leaf, frilly lettuce, I don't know what you call it. Red frilly lettuce, green frilly lettuce, icebergs, and what else have we got? A lot of icebergs and some rocket. I've got more rocket down there as well. It's went a wee bit woody because I've just been taking the leaves, but boy oh boy, it tastes amazing. Tomato plant, this was a shop bought one. It's meant to have little tomatoes on it. Again, it's still struggling, it's really struggling. The other tomato that I bought, there's a beef tomato, he's just the same, he's struggling. I think they are determinate ones, so feed in water and just see what happens. If they don't do anything, they don't do anything. I have also got peas, garden peas, growing. Now I think they might be ready. And I think they're all still quite small, even though they look better, don't they? Can you see that? They look bigger peas. I think he might be ready. That actually, coincidentally, was the very first pod that came out. So, but they're looking great. You can just see them. It's that bright in here. 2 cucumbers and one in there. I need to separate them, get them in big huge tubs, might even put one of them outside. Well, that was just a very quick whistle-stop tour around the greenhouse. We'll need to go down to the veg bag. A couple of things I want to do, get those potatoes harvested, and I'm going to pull out one of my garlic today to see what's in there. They're not looking that great, so maybe they're ready or maybe they're just not grown at all. I'm not sure, but we'll have a wee look. This is Ginger. Ginger is the grand old age of 19, really quite deaf, and has to shout extra loud because he can't hear himself meowing, and it tends to scream at everybody nowadays. We've had him since he was 10 weeks old. Got him and his brother when they were 10 weeks old. And sadly we lost his brother last year, Brock. And we just got Ginger left. the wind really picked up, so I'm going to voice over this bit. Basically, I was saying that I have never grown garlic before, so I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing. This was grocery garlic that had sprouted in the fridge, so I encouraged it to grow over the winter in the greenhouse and planted outside in March this year. The garlic did all the right things, and I cut off the scapes a few weeks prior to this, but they seem to go downhill. Perhaps rust, or they are actually ready. I'm really not sure at this point, so I'm going to dig just one of them up to see what the status is, and that will determine whether I sack off the whole bed or leave them for a bit longer. And here is my result. Oh wow! Oh my goodness! I didn't expect that. What did I expect? I don't know. I rotted. Oh my goodness! I'm proper pleased with that. I'm just going to leave the rest then. This wasn't the only reason we were in Glasgow. Good to be back. Right, just going to get plopped into the barrel because I need to cook them. Right, we'll go with the Foxy Woxy bucket first. And just take these two out just now. Not expecting much. As long as there's enough for a meal, I'll be more than happy. Ooh! Ooh, I think there is. That's not bad at all. Now, as normal, I can't remember what type of potato. Oh wow! I can't remember what potato I put in here, if it was a proper seed potato or a shop potato. I'll need to have a look back and see what I can find. Oh, very good. We've got a clean bucket, yes. Pop them in there. I'm quite pleased with that. Such a small container. Out. Very good. They're alright. They look lovely. Very clean. There you go. Good. They look great. Hello, Ginger. Right, bucket number 2. There's still a bit of life left in one of the plants, but I'm just going to take it anyway. Right. I do like a potato. Reveal. Same type of pot. Still don't know what's in it. If it's a proper shop bought seed potato or a grocery potato. Oh dear. Oh no. There. Oh. Oh, that's looking. Oh, they're looking great. That's what happens when the fox doesn't dig them up. They're big potatoes. My goodness. My goodness. Oh, is that another one? Yep. Wow. Check down here. Oh, I was very pleased with that. Two of them, and it was I'm pretty sure it was just 2 potatoes. I wouldn't put a potato in each. I wouldn't have put 2 potatoes in one container. That is more than enough for dinner tonight. And some tiny salad ones. I'm really impressed with those big ones. They look fantastic. Excellent. Good job, potatoes. Wonderful. Not that we busted them. There's one. There's your potato, Neil.
That's a big one.
Isn't it?
Uh-huh. That was a potato that wasn't going to be ready.
Right. Boy, disrupt the other one. Very good. Oh, God, we got Oh, a bit of slug damage there. Nice in that one. Oh, little red ones.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, the deeper you go, the bigger they get.
There's one underneath that clump.
Is there?
Yep.
I didn't see it there.
I did, you
Oh,
put it.
I think I crunched everyone there.
Well, in my imagination.
I don't want to go over any further in case I,
Aye, get the roots of the other lot.
yeah.
Oh, very good. There you go. Dinner sorted.
Uh-huh. That was crazy.
It's a huge potato.
Nothing else in there. I have been thinking about the strawberry patch all night, and I've been thinking about that strawberry right there. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I want to make sure that that comes with me and doesn't get eaten by anything. This will be my first strawberry of the year. And he is a belter. The size of that. So it's still a tiny bit green. I'm going to take it anyway. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like, and a subscribe would just be amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, then perhaps you might enjoy this one.